This video will help you understand what an examiner is looking for in your writing. Because if you have very clear-cut ideas about what writing will make you score a band score 5, 6 or 7, so then you will be able to understand the whole thing very clearly. We'll be starting from the introduction and we'll be also covering the conclusion part as well. Right? So let's get started with the topic first. The topic says, nowadays more people are migrating to other countries than ever before. In order to become integrated into society in their adopted countries, immigrants should abandon their old ways and adapt to local customs and codes of behavior. Do you agree or disagree? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience, and you have to write at least 250 words. So let's get started with the model sentence structures directly. In the sentence 1 means the introduction of a band score 5 can be like, first, if we want society to run smoothly, immigrants must follow the rules of their new country. Now, firstly, it is very important that immigrants obey the laws of their new country to maintain order in society. Let's understand the difference between 5 and 6 band score. So the band score 6-1 is rather effectively formed and structured. Okay. Now if we look at a band score 7, firstly it is vitally important. Now the collocation vitally important, rather than saying very important, you can also say it is vitally important that immigrants, in case of immigrants, now what has been written here is newcomers observe the laws of their adopted country instead of new country, adopted country. That is how the paraphrasing is done. For the sake of social order, for the sake of social order, in place of maintain order in society, for the sake of social order. So what is being done here in case of IELTS band score 7 is, this sentence is rather beautifully structured and it is beautifully paraphrased as well, and that is why this definitely deserves a higher band score. Okay, if we look at the sentence 2, what does it say further is, so immigrants should follow the rules in their new country even if laws in their home country are different. Therefore, immigrants need to make sure that they obey the law in their new country despite any differences to laws in their home country. This second sentence has been well connected to the first sentence, and that is why it improves the coherence. Band score 7 is, it is, comma, therefore, comma, necessary. This is how like punctuations, okay, punctuations have been taken care of really well. It is, comma, therefore, comma, necessary for all immigrants to ensure that they obey the law in their new country regardless of any differences to laws in their home countries, regardless of, cohesive devices. So you can see the difference in the language in band score 5, 6 and 7. When you look at the sentence 3, it is true that different cultures makes a country more interesting, but I believe that too much difference makes it weak by making people feel that they do not fit in there. When you look at 6, certainly having many cultures makes a country more interesting. However, now you see the punctuation there, semicolon before however and then comma after however. I would argue that too much difference weakens a society by making people feel that they do not belong there. Okay, it is definitely improved one. But when we look at the band score 7, of course, having a mixture of different cultures. Now, what was there in the writing band score 6 was many cultures, having many cultures, and here having a mixture of different cultures and traditions gives a country color and vibrancy. These things are missing in band score 6. However, I would contend that too much cultural diversity undermines a society. Here it was too much difference weakens a society, and in band score 7 it is I would contend that too much cultural diversity undermines a society by alienating people from each other. Sentence 4. I believe that things we have in common bring us together, but difference pull us apart. Now, the grammar error is also there. Let's look at the band score 6. I believe that similarities between people, again, the problem is there in the sentence, like grammar inaccuracy is there. Unite them while their differences divide them. But when you look at band score 7, it is my belief that similarities unite people, whereas difference have a tendency to divide. How beautifully this sentence has been put together. Now, when you look at the final conclusion, to conclude, I think this question will be even more important in the future because the lines between countries are slowly disappearing. Now, in conclusion, I believe that this issue will probably become even more important. This issue will probably become even more important. There is an emphasis in the future as borders between countries become less and less clear. Now, if you want to say the same thing with better accuracy, now you can look at band score 7 by way of conclusion, I believe that this issue is likely to become, likely to become even more important in the future as borders between countries become increasingly blurred. See the difference in the language here. Become less and less clear, become increasingly blurred. So this is how the clear difference can be seen in band score 5, 6 and 7. You can review these sentences one more time and understand what has to be done to flourish your writing. I would also suggest you to write a sentence on the same topic and drop it in the comment box because more you write, more you become perfect in it. See you soon in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.